الذكر أن الأرض يرثها عبادي الصالحون.
And we have already written in the book of Psalms after the previous mention that the land of paradise is inherited by my righteous servants.
إن في هذا لبلاغا لقوم عابدين.
Indeed, in this Quran is notification for a worshipping people.
وما أرسلناك إلا رحمة للعالمين.
And we have not sent you, O Muhammad, except as a mercy to the worlds.
قل إنما يوحى إلي أنما إلهكم إله واحد فهل أنتم مسلمون.
Say, it is only revealed to me that your God is but one God. So will you be Muslims in submission to Him?
فإن تولوا فقل آذنتكم على سواء وإن أدري أقريب أم بعيد ما توعدون.
But if they turn away, then say, I have announced to all of you equally, and I know not whether near or far is that which you are promised.
إنه يعلم الجهر من القول ويعلم ما تكتمون.
Indeed, He knows what is declared of speech, and He knows what you conceal.
وإن أدري لعله فتنة لكم ومتاع إلى حين.
And I know not. Perhaps it is a trial for you and enjoyment for a time.
قال رب احكم بالحق وربنا الرحمن المستعان على ما تصفون.
The Prophet has said, My Lord, judge between us in truth, and our Lord is the most merciful.